What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make $12 per hour while just chatting with strangers, and it is going to be the easiest way ever to make money online. So just stay with me and I will share with you all of the websites where you can get paid $12 or even up to $23 to $24 per hour while chatting with strangers. But before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So now the first website that I want to share with you is the chatshop.com. I will leave the link in the description, so you can just click those links and can visit these websites. Okay, so basically, as you can see on this website, you are going to find the live chat jobs, and you can simply just come over here and down here. Look at this, these are the skills required: native level English and high levels of organization. Literally there is nothing like you need to be specialized in anything, kind of multitasking, handling the multiple customers at a single time, and that's what they want. And typing speed of $80 80 plus words per minute. Okay, and error free words. Test your typing speed over here. Able to work 20 to 40 hours each week. Okay, location isn't important, you can work from anywhere in the world, and you can also learn the skill if you want from here as well. So basically, after coming over here, you can simply come down over here and you can simply apply over here. Okay, so whatever you are going to do, if you do not have a skill, literally this is not a kind of rocket science. You can easily develop this skill even if you do not have within 5 to 7 days. Okay, so just keep practicing, and if you are going to work, literally this website pays generally between $10 to $14. Okay, basically I saw this website in the forum. Okay, so basically when we are going to calculate, let's say this website is only going to do the work of $20. Okay, give the work of $20 and you are only going to earn just $10. So that's going to be $200, okay, in a week by just this single website. So now visiting to the another website. Hey, Apple, how does this sound working with the Apple? Absolutely, we all want to work with Apple. Okay, so basically you can now work with the Apple. Basically there are a ton of jobs available, and let me tell you guys, Apple is very much flexible in receiving the jobs. Even if for a time you do not have a skill, but literally your attitude also decides. Okay, so you can simply just come over here on this website. You can find the link in the description, and basically two of these jobs. Okay, basically at home area manager, at home team manager. So basically we just need to head over to over here at home advisor, and you can just simply find at home advisor jobs, and then you can simply go through that. And this website literally pays between near about I think $15 to $20. Okay, and I think I found this website on the Glassdoor. Okay, and this website is going to pay you $15 to $20. So let's say we are only going to take just kind of $20, and if this website is going to pay you give you 10 hours of work, that's again $200. Okay, so now visiting to another website, the fourth website is the support.com. okay, and basically you can just apply for this website also. As you can see current openings, you can just check out the current openings available over here. And most of these websites are kind of like handling the support, like whatever the problem is there with the customer, what are his questions, you just need to reply to simple questions, and that's what the only job you need to do over here is. Okay, so you can just simply come on this website and you can simply click on the current openings, and that's what you can then simply join this website. Okay, so now guys, the next website that I want to share with you is the sitestaff.com, and basically as you can see, you can just come over here, and after coming over here, this website is also going to look at this. These are some of the kind of the requirements for the job. It's about 65 to 75 plus words per minute in perfect punctuation, and grammar, spelling, ability to multitask. And also guys, I will tell you that you can install this plugin called Grammarly. So whenever there will be any problem in the grammar and spelling, it is going to help you. Okay, you do not have to worry about that. Whenever there will be any problem, it is going to mark the word with red line. So you can then just simply click on the word and it will show you the right word. Just simply click on it and it is going to give you the right word. Okay, so grade A problem solving, and look at this. These are the literally simple things, kind of the basic nature that you just need to develop. The team player, dependable and flexible, self-disciplined, empathy driven work ethic, and all these stuff are literally easy. So if you have all of these skills, you can simply come over here, can write down your name, last name, and then simply just enter your email address, and thereafter simply copy and paste your resume over here. Okay, so basically these are the 4 websites. But if you do not want to trade your hours for dollars and want to make some more money, building a business with which you can even quit your full-time job, then check out the first link in the description, because there I will share with you how you can make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner. Okay, that is the way with which I made my first $100, and there I am also sharing with you 4 free traffic sources with which you can get started today and can start making money. Even if you are going to do it right, you can probably start making money from this week. Okay, so be sure to check that out and let me know in the comment box which video do you want me to do the next. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and have fun.